Welcome back to my channel, Forever Diverse Journeys. I bet you didn't know how easy it is to miss a cruise ship. It's like missing the last slice of pizza at a party. Ever heard of someone missing their cruise ship? It happens more often than you think. And trust me, it's not as fun as it sounds. Yikes. Let's make sure that's not you, because no one wants to be the person waving goodbye from the dock. Are you embarking on a Carnival Cruise Line adventure? Well, buckle up, because we're about to make your boarding process smoother than a dolphin's back. With the recent updates to their embarkation process, being prepared is more important than ever. Think of it as preparing for a first date. You want everything to go perfectly. Today, we're walking you through everything you need to know to make your boarding experience a breeze. So, grab a notepad or just your phone and let's dive in. First up, Carnival's new embarkation feature. Drumroll, please. You can now select your preferred boarding time. It's like choosing your own adventure, but with less dragons and more sunscreen. This gives you more control over your arrival and departure. No more rushing like you're in an action movie. But remember, there are still capacity restrictions in place, so plan accordingly. Pre-cruise prep is key. Think of it as packing for a trip to Mars. You don't want to forget anything. Double check your cruise details to ensure you have your boarding time and all necessary documentation, because showing up without your ticket is like showing up to a potluck without a dish. Download the Carnival Hub App for essential info, updates, and even pre-ordering drinks and snacks. It's like having a personal assistant, but without the awkward small talk. And don't forget to follow Carnival on social media for the latest news and behind-the-scenes glimpses, because who doesn't love a good sneak peek? On embarkation day, arrive early to avoid unnecessary stress. Think of it as getting to the airport early, but with more palm trees and fewer TSA agents. Have your driver's license and all pertinent travel documents and cruise ticket ready at check-in, and follow security procedures smoothly. It's like a dance. The smoother you move, the quicker you'll get through. Check with Carnival for required travel documentation to ensure a smooth boarding process. Now for some pro tips. Pack light and dress comfortably, because no one wants to be the person lugging a suitcase the size of a small car. Stay hydrated with a reusable water bottle. Your future self will thank you. Complete your online check-in to save time. It's like skipping the line at your favorite coffee shop. Set multiple alarms to ensure you wake up on time, and confirm your boarding time and transportation plans well ahead. Because no one wants to be the person who slept through their vacation. Follow these tips and Carnival's updated procedures, and you'll be cruising stress-free in no time. It's like having a VIP pass to relaxation. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to enjoy your vacation. Bon voyage, and don't forget the sunscreen. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and adventures.